To schedule DigitalOcean Droplet backups, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the control panel. From there, click on the droplet you want to backup and select the Backups option from the sidebar menu. Next, click on the Enable Backups button to turn on automatic backups for your droplet. DigitalOcean will then take a snapshot of your droplet on a daily basis, allowing you to easily restore it in case something goes wrong. It is also possible to take manual snapshots of your droplet at any time. To do this, click on the power button next to your droplet and select Take Snapshot from the drop-down menu. Give your snapshot a name and description, and then click the Take Snapshot button to start the process. In addition to automatic and manual snapshots, DigitalOcean also offers the option to schedule backups using their API. This can be useful if you need more fine-grained control over your backup schedule. To use the API, you will need to generate a token and then use a tool like curl to send a request to the DigitalOcean API. When scheduling backups, it is a good idea to consider a few best practices. First, make sure to back up your droplet regularly to ensure that your data is safe in case something goes wrong. Second, consider storing your backups in a separate region or data center to protect against regional outages. Finally, be sure to test your backups regularly to ensure that they are working correctly and that you can restore your droplet in case of an emergency. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily schedule DigitalOcean Droplet backups and protect your data. Remember to always prioritize backup and disaster recovery to ensure the integrity and availability of your data.